Hi, my name is Tylee and I'm with Baratza Support. I'm here to show you how to take the case off your Virtuoso Plus. Whether you're doing some troubleshooting, changing out the burrs, or giving your grinder a good deep clean, this video's got you covered. To start things off, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth. But if you don't have a flathead handy, a butter knife works well for this too. Before we get started, let's go ahead and make sure that your grinder is unplugged. Next, we can remove the hopper by twisting it counterclockwise until the grind setting indicator is lined up with the arrow on your grinder. It should lift straight up from here. Then we can go ahead and remove the grounds bin by pulling it straight out. Next, let's lift up the rubber gasket and the ring burr. These should come out pretty easily. No tools are needed here. Now you'll want to place the grinder on its side using a towel or a cloth while doing so. The case is secured by 4 snap clips that are near the bottom. There are 2 on each side. The clips are released by inserting a wedge to remove the case away from the chassis. Although we recommend using a soft cloth while taking the case off your grinder, it is a little bit easier to do so without it. Just be careful not to scuff up the metal base on your grinder. To remove the case, gently wedge the flathead under the bottom and pry it up while simultaneously pulling away from the base. Pulling up while separating the base from the case will keep the clips from snapping back together. Flip the grinder over and repeat on the other side. Releasing the clips may require alternating between each side a few times before they come loose, so take your time. After all 4 clips are released, there will be a visible gap between the base of the grinder and the casing. At this point, you can reposition the grinder and grasp the top collar to pull up while holding the unit down at the base to fully remove. To reinstall the case, gently guide the casing onto the grooves around the display of the grinder. If the case is improperly installed, the adjustment ring may get stuck. To fix this, just push on the adjustment ring and it will pop back in place. If you notice that the side of the case is sticking out, push it in and make sure that it is flush with the chassis. Once your case is good to go, we can go ahead and install your burr holder. Make sure that the red line on your burr holder is aligned with the red line on your adjustment ring inside your grinder. Then we can place your gasket back in, thick side down. From here, let's put your hopper back on. Make sure that your grind setting indicator is lined up with the arrow on your grinder. Then twist clockwise. Finally, let's put your grounds bin back in place. And that's it! You've removed and reinstalled the case on your grinder. If you need a little bit more help or you want some troubleshooting steps, feel free to reach out to Baratza Support. But that should be it. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding. Baratza, well grounded for 25 years.